Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD. To begin, familiarize yourself with the intuitive workspace. You'll find your main canvas, where artboards represent different screens or pages of your design. On the left, you have essential tools like the selection, rectangle, and text tools, crucial for laying out your initial elements. The right panel offers properties for selected objects, allowing precise control over their appearance and behavior. Understanding these core components is your first step towards creating compelling user experiences. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive into designing your interfaces. Use multiple artboards to represent distinct screens or states of your user journey. The real magic happens in prototype mode, where you connect these artboards. Simply drag a wire from an object to its destination artboard. You can then specify transitions like slide left or dissolve, set easing options such as ease out, and define a duration, perhaps 0.3 seconds, to simulate a smooth, natural user experience. This brings your static designs to life. To maintain consistency and efficiency, embrace components. Turn frequently used elements like buttons or navigation bars into master components. Any change you make to the master will automatically update all its instances across your entire project, saving you countless hours. The Assets panel is your command center for building a robust design system. Here, you can store and manage your colors, character styles, and components, ensuring every element adheres to your brand guidelines. This systematic approach streamlines your workflow significantly. Finally, it's time to share your creations and collaborate effectively. Adobe XD makes sharing incredibly simple. Generate a web link to your prototype, allowing anyone to view and interact with your design in a browser. For targeted feedback, enable commenting directly on the prototype, letting reviewers pinpoint specific areas. When your design is approved, easily export assets in formats like PNG, SVG, or JPG, ready for developers to implement. This seamless sharing and handoff process ensures your designs move from concept to reality efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.